What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है a huge clothing haul. I've picked up so many cute things. All of them are my Pinterest inspiration, things that I've been wanting from quite some while और मैंने try किया जितना हो सके मैं find करूँ वो Amazon पे. So I have a bunch of stuff that I'm very excited to share you guys. Let's get started with today's video.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Okay, so the first thing I picked up is this cord set. Love the print on this. As I said, it's a cord set, so top and ye bottom hai. And on days when I do not know what to wear and I just feel like I don't have anything, I just pop on a cord set and I'm good to go. It's so easy and versatile. First of all, love the print on this. It has a very traditional look and feel to it. You can definitely rock this as a kurti as well because again, the print and everything just goes so well. It's very comfortable and soft. Material wise, it's a cotton blend. So pure cotton nahi hai, cotton blend, and it's quite comfortable and soft on the body as well. And the price is like killer. अभी तो बहुत अच्छा सेल चल रहा है and मुझे ये 80% ऑफ पे मिला है. So the cord set is for 500 rupees only. Like talk about a steal, right? And it's like a whole outfit all together. You don't have to think about pant क्या पहनूं, top क्या अलग से पहनूं. And this is how the pant looks like. Same exact print, very comfortable, and it does have a elastic band right over here. Now it does have a pocket. 10 marks for that. I feel it just has one pocket. Yeah, it does have one pocket, which is great. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं से एक pocket is more than enough to put my wallet or my phone in it. And yeah, this is my first outfit and I really like it. Moving on to the next item I picked up is this kurti set. As I said, it's a mix haul. I picked up a bunch of stuff. Let's open it up. Again, this is something that has been popping on my Amazon feed for quite some while now. और मुझे इसका print और color बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. And this is how the top looks like. Like I love the print and the color on this. Very, very, very comfortable on my body. It just feels right. It just feels right. Also, the shape of this kurti is so freaking cute. I love it. It just fits and snugs at the right places, I would say. इसका neckline भी मुझे काफी पसंद आया और इसका जो ये lace work हो रखा है, it's not print, it's actual lace work और एकदम cheap नहीं लग रहा है. You know, when the cost is a little low, ये सबसे बड़ा giveaway होता है कि वो बहुत cheap लग रहा है. And this does not look cheap at all, which is like a 10 out of 10. This is again a size medium. The material of this kurti is cotton blend, so it's very comfortable. And this as well, I got it in like 509 rupees, so 80% off पे ये भी मुझे मिला. बहुत प्यारा है, especially for the price. It's a steal. I love the length of this kurti and everything about this is I love. Nothing. Let's talk about the pant. Again, the same exact print, nothing extra going on over here. It does have an elastic band right over here. Talking about pockets, it does have a pocket over here. चलो इसमें भी एक ही पॉकेट है एंड या वेरी फ्लोई इजी ब्रीजी ग्रेट फॉर द इंडियन समर और ह्यूमिड वेदर आई वुड से बिकॉज बिल्कुल गर्मी नहीं होगी इसमें. बहुत ही अच्छा पेयर है. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना कीप इट. नेक्स्ट आई पिक्ड अप दिस टॉप. लाइक हाउ फ्रिकिंग क्यूट इज दिस कलर. ये मैंने जैसे ही वेबसाइट पे देखा आई जस्ट न्यू आई हैड टू हैव इट. आई जस्ट फेल इन लव विद द कलर, द प्रिंट. इट्स सो बोहेमियन and it's so me. I love the color. I love the print on this. This is cotton by the way, so it's very comfortable on my body and like wow. I just love everything that's going on over here. It is button. I think ये open कर सकते हैं. Yeah, it is openable. Also the top of this right over here जो neck collar line है and the detailing that's going on the top portion, I love. As I said again, it gives a very bohemian vibe and if you're a fan of it, this is something that you must have. I love the sleeves as well. It does have a 3/4 sleeve and again, it just sits very beautifully on my hands. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I love the length of this. This with just some simple jeans, like a dark colored jeans and white sandals and bag with it. It's a perfect casual outfit. Love it. 10 out of 10 and also the price. It's a steal. Definitely grab it. Next, I picked up this chicken curry in the size medium as you see over here. Let me open it up. So this is how it looks like. First of all, I just fell in love with the color. It's a very beautiful lilac color. Great for the summers. Also, it's not a real chicken curry because you can clearly see this is embroidered. This is not a real chicken curry kurti. But the reason I picked it up and I'm gonna keep it is because it's not see-through. Majority of the real chikankari kurti, it's always see-through and you have to wear a slip inside. But this one is a rayon blend and बिल्कुल भी see-through नहीं है. So I just have to pop this on and I'm good to go. And it just looks very very pretty. I love the print on this. As I said, real chikankari kurti nahi hai, but I genuinely love it, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. It's not a set, it's just a kurti, but I'm definitely gonna wear like those celeb inspired wo jo white straight pants hote hain. It's gonna look so beautiful on this. Next, I picked up this kurti set that I'm wearing right now and I'm obsessed. ये पूरे haul में this is definitely one of my favorite kurti sets that I've picked up. I love the neckline on this and definitely the color. It's a bright popping neon green color with white floral detailing all over. As I said before, love the halter neckline. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, and at first I was like, do I have to wear like a strapless bra on this? But I don't have to. I'm wearing like a normal bra, but you really can't see the straps on it. I mean, it's a very slight over here, but overall I feel like I can wear it with a normal bra, which is like a plus because come on, I don't like to wear strapless anything. I love to wear my normal bra and this looks good with that. So this was definitely a big thumbs up for me. It's not a cotton kurti, but it's soft, it's very comfortable on the body. Okay, as I said, it's a set. It does come with a pant as well. Does have elastic at the waistline, and नीचे bottom पे अगर आप देखोगे, it does have a very beautiful white lace trim at the bottom. Again, overall the whole look ties together really well and I really like it, so a big thumbs up. The next item I picked up is something that has been on my Pinterest board for quite some while now और मुझे कहीं पर भी नहीं मिल रहा था, but finally it's here. It's a linen pant. Let me open it up. So this is how it looks like. It's plain white, very heavy and good quality pant. This is by this brand called Marks and Spencer. So थोड़ा expensive है, but honestly I was not able to find it anywhere, and exactly how I want it, I found it, so I had to grab it. As I said, linen pant है, बहुत ही अच्छा एक earthy cool look दे देता है आपके पूरे outfit को, and I love this. And I was like, maybe it might end up coming like very very see-through, but ये इतना see-through नहीं है. It's beautiful. It does have two pockets in the back, as you can see over here, and यहाँ पर एक drawstring detail है. It is like a stretchy elastic material right over here, and this is how it looks like overall. I just love the way it fits on my body. It's a very beautiful fit and flare look. I just know I can make so many cool outfits with this, so definitely a big thumbs up. Next, I try to find like a cheaper dupe for the linen pant, and yeah, this is what came. Let me open it up for you guys. I ordered white, but it actually came like a slight peach pink. I'm not sure, but I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera, but in real life it definitely isn't white. It's a peach pink color, and this material is not linen at all. I was not expecting it to be linen because लिखा भी नहीं था कि ये linen है. I just wanted something that looks kind of similar and just gives the similar vibe, but yeah, no, it's not a dupe at all. It is very very see-through. यहाँ पर नहीं लग रहा है, but पहनने के बाद it's definitely very see-through. Does not have no pockets at all. Yeah, no pockets at all. It's soft, but it's honestly not comfortable on my body. I wouldn't recommend. It's not a good buy at all. Again, it's very tight near the waistline. I don't know if I've picked up the wrong size, but that was recommended to me according to the size chart. So yeah, overall really not happy with the pick, and yeah, no, giving it back. Next, I picked up another cord set and it looks like this. Let's open up. This cord is again something that's been popping on my Amazon feed for quite some while, and I definitely wanted to give it a try. And this is how it looked like. It's so pretty. I love the color, very monsoon like I would say. मुझे ये कलर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. ये जो blend हो रहा है white and the blues, like different shades of it, looking very pretty. I really like the neckline as well. As you can see, this is threaded work. It's not print. Looks very pretty. It does have 3/4 sleeve and इस पे भी वो same work हो रखा है. I love the length as well. It's not too long, perfect for a cord. And let's see the pant as well. I'm very happy with the price range as well. Everything I've picked up I feel like is under or around 500 range, which is like a steal. Again, it does have elastic right over here, and this is how the pant looks like. Same exact print and very simple, nothing else is going on in this. But I feel like the pant is fitting me a little weird. This is also size medium, but the pant is fitting very weird near the hip area. It's just a little bit too tight and I'm not comfortable with it. The material is rayon, it's not cotton, it's rayon, but material is very soft and comfortable on my body. Overall, I would give it a 7 out of 10. I feel like the other cord set, I like it a little better. I wanted to like it, but again, it's not fitting me right. So yeah, I don't know if it's this one-off or kya hai, but yeah, it's not fitting me right. And the last item I've picked up is this shirt. Again, something that I've been eyeing for quite some while now, and this is how it looks like. I love the color and print on it. It's very mild and subdued, but yet it's looking very, very beautiful. And it definitely does give summer monsoon vibes to me. I actually wanted to pair this up with the white pant that I got. I thought it will be such a look. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Love the collar, by the way. It's a mandarin collar and it does have button running all the way to the bottom. Sleeve, it does have full sleeve and I think it looks very, very chic. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a shirt, basic shirt. Talking about the material, it is a rayon material, very comfortable on the body. It's not see-through at all. Overall, I really like it. I would give it a thumbs up. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूँगी. Do not forget to check them out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.